Melting point is defined as the temperature at which the solid and liquid phases of the substance are in equilibrium. Pure crystalline substances have a clear and sharply defined melting point. Any impurity present can lower the melting point of a substance and broaden the melting point range. Therefore, melting point measurements are often used to determine whether the right organic compound has been obtained and to check its purity. This is a melting point apparatus. It works by melting the contents of a capillary tube in a controlled manner and observing the crystalline structure through a magnified window. To do a melting point measurement, first we need to prepare the sample. The sample must be thoroughly dry. Grind the sample with a small pestle and mortar to fine powder. Then tip a small amount of the sample powder onto a watch glass. Obtain a capillary tip which is closed at one end and press the open end of the tip into a pile of the powder to form a column of 1 to 2 millimeters high. Tap the closed end of the tip gently on the bench. Then drop it through a long length of a glass tipping onto a hard surface. This should force the powder to be packed into the bottom of the tip. Repeat until 2 to 5 millimeters of the sample has been packed firmly into the tip. Now, we are ready to do the melting point measurement. Ensure a thermometer is in place and the apparatus is cooler than the melting point of the sample before you begin. Place the capillary tip with the sample in one of the wells of the apparatus. Suppose you know the anticipated melting point of the sample, adjust the heating controller to raise the temperature quite rapidly until it is within 15 to 20 degrees Celsius of the expected value. Then, reduce the dial setting so that the temperature is rising at 1 to 2 degrees Celsius per minute. Observe the sample through the magnified window. Record the following two temperatures. The first temperature is the temperature when the first free liquid appears, and the second temperature is the temperature when the sample is completely turned liquid.